Hello. So we are going to be solving this problem on the board. It's WAEC 2015. Let me read the question and then we'll tackle the problem together. In a school compound, a girl walks 40 meters due east from the laboratory to the staff room to submit a report. Then she returns and walks 30 meters due north to her classroom. Determine the magnitude of her displacement from the laboratory. So to solve this problem, we need to draw. We have to draw. Okay. Solution. So we sketch in a school compound. Before you start sketching, okay, do this. Draw these cardinal points. I know you are familiar with this, right? North, south, east, and then we have the west. It's easier. Yeah, it's easier. So we have in a school compound, a girl walks 40 meters due east. So this is east. Let me extend it a little bit so that it can take my diagram. So let's say this is 40. From here to here is 40. Okay, from here to here is my 40, right? Let me wipe this out so it doesn't cause any confusion. Due east from the laboratory. So let's say this is the laboratory, this point. From the laboratory to the staff room, let's say this point, this junction is the staff room. To the staff room to submit her report. Then she returns and walks 30 meters due north. Okay, so it means instead of going like this back to the class, she went this direction. Okay, then she returns and walks 30 meters due north. 30 is supposed to be somewhere like something like this. It shouldn't be, the magnitude shouldn't be the same as 40, right? Then okay, to our classroom. Okay, determine the magnitude of her displacement from the laboratory. So to find the displacement is going to be from this point to this point. So let me remove this arrow head. Okay, from this point to this point. Oh Lord, help me to draw a straight line. Yes, so this is it. Okay, so this is what we are looking for. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. This is the displacement, usually denoted with X. Let me use, okay, X. So this is what we are looking for. So to find this, we're going to be using the Pythagoras theorem. You still remember Pythagoras theorem? Okay, so if you are looking for hypotenuse, C squared is equal to A squared plus what? B squared. Okay, remember X is equal to C. So if we do this, we have X is equal to A. I say this, let this be A. Let the eastward displacement be equal to 40 and let the northward displacement be equal to 30. So we have 40 squared plus 30 squared. Is that okay? So we have X squared is equal to 40 squared. That's 40 times 40. 40 times 40 will give us 1,600 plus 30 times 30 will give us 900. So we have 900. So our X squared will be equal to the addition of this and this. So 16 plus 900 will give us what? 96 is going to give us 2,500. Remember, we're not looking for X squared, we're looking for X. So to find X, we square the both side. So right, so this is the same thing as this. So if we square root the both side, okay, if we square root the both side, something like this, this will cancel this, okay, and then you'll be left with this, right? So the square root of this is going to be, if you punch your calculator, you will have 50. So our answer is equal to 50 meters. So let's check our options to see if we'll find the answer. We have A is 10 meters. No. B is 35 meters. No. C is 15 meters. Yes. So our option is what? C. Okay. And then our displacement for this question is equal to 50 meters. I hope you enjoyed today's problem solving. I'm still Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.